Although the causes of autism are poorly understood, we do know that genetics plays a large role in this neurodevelopmental condition. If you had an identical twin who was autistic, you would have a 70 to 90% chance of also being autistic. This indicates that genetics contributes to up to 90% of causality in autism. How do we study genetics? With DNA. Imagine our DNA as a car composed of 27,000 parts, our genes, grouped into 46 systems, our chromosomes. Sometimes there can be a manufacturing error in one of the parts of the car. This is what we call a genetic mutation. The manufacturing error could have no impact or very little impact on the car functioning, or it could affect the whole system and have a major impact. In autism, the straightforward scenario involves a mutation of a single gene, which explains a person's autism symptoms. This is the case in the mutation of the FMR1 gene on the X chromosome, which causes Fragile X syndrome. Autism symptoms in individuals with Fragile X syndrome can be explained by a mutation in this single gene, FMR1. The cause is therefore very clear. However, a mutation in one gene being directly linked to autism is rare, and only the case for a small portion of the autistic population. The relationship between genes and autism is often more complex. For instance, a mutation can affect multiple genes at the same time, and it's the combination of these altered genes that contributes to the autism diagnosis. However, these identified mutations linked to autism are also found in other conditions, such as intellectual disability or schizophrenia, for example. They are not specific to autism. Although it is clear that autism is largely explained by genetics, it should be noted that in the majority of cases, gene mutations identified in individuals with autism aren't only associated with autism, nor is it common to find a mutation in a single gene, like Fragile X. Autism is therefore mainly due to a complex combination of mutations in several genes that may explain the heterogeneity found in autism, but we have not yet precisely identified those mutations, their specific effect, and how they may work together.